Here, our question is using epsilon delta definition, prove that limit x approaches to a, sine of x is equal to sine of a. So, we have to prove sine x approaches to sine a when x approaches to a. So, solution is here we assume fx equal to sine x, our limit L is equal to sine A and x approaches to A. We have to prove using epsilon delta definition. So we assume we take any epsilon greater than 0. Let epsilon greater than 0 be given. We have to prove mod fx minus L less than epsilon whenever mod x minus A less than delta. So we consider mod fx minus L. Fx equal to sin x, L is equal to sin A. Mod sin x minus sin A. So we put the formula of sin C minus sin D, and this is 2 cos sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So this becomes mod fx minus L is equal to 2. We take 2 outside the mod. So this becomes 2 mod x cos x plus a by 2 into mod sin x minus a by 2. Then we have to prove mod fx minus L less than epsilon whenever mod x minus a less than delta. So we need the requirement, we require mod x minus a. So we keep only factor of x minus a and we eliminate remaining factor. So cos x plus a by 2 mod cos theta is always less than equal to 1. Absolute value of cos is always less than equal to 1. So mod fx minus L less than equal to 2 as it is, and this is less than equal to 1, and this is sine x minus a by 2. So this becomes mod fx minus L less than equal to 2 into mod sine x minus a over 2. But we only need x minus a. So we don't need sine. So we eliminate this factor by using mod sine x less than equal to x. So this becomes mod fx minus L less than equal to 2 sine x. Sine का यहाँ एंगल क्या है, आर्ग्यूमेंट क्या है, x माइनस a over 2. So this is less than equal to mod x minus a over 2, and we cancel 2. Then this becomes mod fx minus L less than equal to mod x minus a. So this is mod fx minus L less than epsilon whenever mod x minus a less than epsilon. From this, we can say if mod x minus a is less than epsilon, then mod fx minus L is less than epsilon. So we choose this epsilon as delta because we need mod x minus a less than delta. So there must exist some delta. Delta is epsilon. Choose epsilon equal to delta. Thus, for epsilon greater than 0, there exists a delta equal to epsilon such that mod fx minus L less than epsilon whenever mod x minus a less than delta. And that is value of fx sin x, value of L sin a, that is mod sin x minus sin a less than epsilon whenever mod x minus a less than delta. This implies limit x approaches to a, sin x equal to sin a, hence proved. And this is our solution.